One small detail I wanted to point out here. So here we're looking at the exhaust that goes outside above the range. So everybody knows that noise you get in the wind, flapping, that tick, tick, tick sound. So you can see here we have a gasket in here, and then we've got these flaps, and there's a spring in the middle. So that spring is pulling the flaps closed against the gasket. So when the range hood is on, the air is going out, this is open, but when it's not, it's pulling these flaps back against this gasket and eliminating that noise.